This is a brief history of Photoshop. Celebrate Photoshop's 30th birthday. For 10,950 days, artists, designers, photographers, and many others have inspired the world with their imaginations using the practical magic of Photoshop. The tale began in 1987 when PhD student Tom Knoll wrote a graphics application in a Macintosh Plus. The software was used to display grayscale images on a monochrome display. Knoll called it Display. We could now consider Display as the unofficial father of our beloved Photoshop. Tom's brother John, who works at Industrial Light and Magic, saw the program. Being a photo enthusiast, John persuaded his brother to turn it into an image editing software. He eventually finished it after taking a 6-month break from his studies. Tom tried to call it Image Pro. Good thing was, the name was already taken for copyright, so he opted to call it Photoshop version 0.07. Tom eventually managed to sell it to a scanner manufacturer. On September 1989, everything changed for Photoshop when Adobe bought it. A year after, on February 1, 1990, Photoshop 1.0 was released. It included digital color editing and retouching. It was dedicated for use in high-end platforms such as the Cytex and costs $300 for basic photo retouching. Today, Adobe is already on the process of refining the software. One of the major innovations we have had is the Creative Cloud series. This is a service from the Adobe systems which gives users access to the company's design software. CC works on a software-as-service model where users can rent the usage of the suite for a charge. This tries to eliminate piracy while minimizing the expenditure of companies with their design software. Looking back into Photoshop, we will see how a simple idea can evolve into a useful and impacting tool. Without the Knoll's Display, we would not have our favorite software, right? This just proves that Photoshop, like us designers, can evolve and be better. And, hopefully, like Photoshop, we will emerge as successful designers.